Hello everyone, today we bring you a detailed review of one of the most interesting affordable electric scooters of the new generation, the KuKirin A1, a model that combines power, stability, modern design and a sense of luxury in driving that is rarely seen in this class. If you are looking for a scooter that can be your everyday ally, whether you are commuting to work, going for school or simply want to enjoy a ride, the A1 is made for it. A powerful engine, long autonomy, excellent suspension and carefully designed functions make it a true example of modern urban mobility, so be sure to watch this KuKirin A1 video review and learn more. When the package arrives, you can feel the seriousness at the first glance. The thick box, sturdy packaging and protection of each element indicate that the manufacturer cares about quality and safety during transportation. After opening, the first thing you see is a lot of protection. Inside there is a set of screws and a tool for basic assembly, a charger with U plug, as well as a user manual with clear instructions. At the first glance at the scooter, the impression of quality is applied. The handlebar is quickly and easily mounted. With one move you lift the steering wheel, tighten it, and the A1 is ready for its first adventure. The KuKirin A1 is immediately attracts attention with its sporty yet sophisticated design. The lines are dynamic and the silver metal frame hints a solidity of the structure. The center frame is made of durable aluminum resistant to shocks and vibrations, and the entire structure appears as if were made of one piece without unnecessary joints or weak parts. The standing surface is white and rubberized with an anti-slip layer that instills safety in both dry and wet conditions. The sides feature light details and branded logo, and everything looks like it's carefully designed vehicle of the future ready for the urban adventures. The steering wheel is wide enough to provide control at the higher speeds. The steering wheel span is listed around 580 mm, providing a balance between agility and stability. The mechanism is advertised as a 1-second fold in materials and in practice is designed as a buckle with a safety catch, simple unlocking. The design of the buckle and joints amplifies strength. There is no thin plastic parts that seem fragile. The dimensions of the folded scooter provide a practical compactness for the trunk or the storage. At the heart of this scooter is a powerful 48-watt 13Ah lithium battery with a total capacity of 624 Wh, which allows a range of up to 45 kilometers in ideal conditions. This means that you will be able to ride for days without thinking about the charger, and when the time comes, it takes about 7 to 8 hours to fully charge, ideal for charging overnight while you sleep. The battery is carefully integrated into the frame, protected from the external influences and equipped with a smart BMS system that monitors each cell, ensuring stability and a long lifespan. Our powerful electric friend is powered by the 800-watt brushless DC hub motor located in the rear wheel, which allows directly power transmission without transmission losses. This engine provides instant and smooth acceleration, no jerks or sudden jumps, and the noise is minimal, almost impeccable, which contributes to the feeling of sophisticated driving. According to the factory data, the maximum speed is 45 km/h in full mode. In city driving, the power is robust enough to easily overcome moderate slopes of up to 20 degrees. During acceleration, you feel a pleasant push feeling that suitable breeze under your feet while the engine runs quietly and the throttle response is very precise and linear. The A1 has 3 speed modes: economy mode 20 km/h, standard about 30 km, and a sporty full capacity of 45 km/h. This gives you flexibility and control in various conditions. The KuKirin A1 uses 10-inch tubeless vacuum tires. These tires represent the ideal balance between resistance and comfort, large enough to absorb minor bumps but not too large that they lose agility. The tire profile is designed to provide a good grip. This is felt in turns, and when changing direction, the scooter behaves calmly and predictably without sudden skids or unpredictable reactions. Combined with the good tires, the suspension works at the full capacity, providing a comfortable ride on asphalt and weaker surfaces such as slightly uneven sidewalks. The A1 is equipped with a dual suspension system front and rear that use elastic shock absorbers to dampen vibrations and shocks when going over uneven sections of the road. Every bump becomes softer, more cushioned, you feel the scooter slide. Stability over higher speeds is not compromised, handling remains precise, and the scooter does not suffering from unpleasant vibrations. The solid aluminum frame and the low rider position further contribute to the feeling of security. Now, safety is a very high priority design in this model. The A1 comes with a dual 140mm disc brakes front and rear that allows for powerful and controlled stopping. The brakes are precise under your fingers, you feel the pull but no sudden lock. The combination of a mechanical disc system and regenerative assistance ensures safety in a variety of conditions. The combination with the good tires and suspension means that braking does not cause unpleasant jerks or destabilization. The scooter remains stable and safe. The front LED light provides illumination of the road ahead, adjusted to the wheel height and road lighting. The U-shaped rear brake light clearly signals braking, while the built-in turn signals on the handlebars provide the signal in traffic, something that is not standard in this class, but the A1 has it. In addition, reflective strips or reflective elements are located on the sides of the vehicle, so when illuminated from the side, for example the front of the car reflector, A1 becomes additionally visible. On the top of the handlebars is luxurious LCD color display, modular and informative. It shows key parameters, current speed, selected driving mode, battery level, total mileage, and sometimes a turn signal indicator. The display is very readable even in bright sunlight thanks to the contrast design and the backlighting. The buttons for navigation modes, changing the light, switching driving modes, and all the control elements are ergonomically located close to the thumb, which allows you to stay focused on the road while using these functions. On the right side is a lock where we insert the ignition key, and above is a thumb throttle. In practice, the interaction is intuitive. The on and off switching between modes and the lighting work without any complications, so the user experience remains fluid and natural. Everything is very intuitive here. The first ride with the KuKirin A1 really leaves lasting impression. When you step on the gas, the engine whispers, but the thrust is full and sensitive. You don't feel any jerks or uneven acceleration. Everything happens smoothly, controlled and fluid. You feel safe in turns, and thanks to the width of the deck, you have a stable and relaxed leg position. There is no cramped space. The scooter allows you to stand naturally. The higher speed, the A1 is surprisingly calm. It doesn't shake, doesn't wobble, doesn't vibrate nervously, but glides across the asphalt with ease. It feels like you are on a luxury city train, only you are outside feeling the wind and easily detail on the road. The suspension does the job, whether you are crossing slight bumps or the junction on asphalt with the curb. Everything feels damp and comfortable. Your legs don't vibrate, your back doesn't hurt. The ride remains pleasant even over long periods. In everyday use, city road parks, the A1 behaves like a true urban partner, agile enough for city traffic and stable and quiet enough when you want a relaxed, enjoyable ride. The KuKirin A1 exceeds expectations in every way. A 800-watt engine that combines power and finesse, tires that balance resistance and comfort, excellent suspension, disc brakes that give you confidence at every stop, LED lights and signals that provide safety and aesthetics, and a screen and controls that are intuitive and pleasant for use. Driving the A1 isn't just about getting from the point A to B, it's about embracing the experience that's stable, fluid and effortlessly elegant. Each segment is well thought and executed, from the constructions to the components to the driving effect. If you're looking for electric scooter that looks modern and feels like an extension of your body, the KuKirin A1 is exactly that. It was designed to show you that urban riding can be not only fast and precise, but also safe, stylish and truly enjoyable, all at affordable price. If you are ready to experience it yourself, check out the official sales link below this video and order your KuKirin A1 at a special discounted price. Delivery from EU warehouses is fast and reliable. Your scooter will arrive right at your doorstep in just 3 to 4 days after placing the order. Don't miss the great opportunity while stock lasts. That's all for today. Ride safe and I'll see you soon in the next video review. Bye.